Hello everyone, I just want to give an introduction to artificial intelligence in education, some of the key vocabulary as part of a newsletter, just to kind of check in with everyone and make sure that they've kind of at least been introduced to terms and tools that are definitely becoming more commonly used. So AI can enhance instruction and digital learning and teaching in the classroom. It just depends on how it's being used. So artificial intelligence essentially refers to the ability to machines to mimic human intelligence, enable them to learn from data, recognize patterns, make decisions, and perform tasks that normally require human intervention. There are a tremendous amount of practical applications of AI in education in terms of potential supporting personalized learning and adaptive learning platforms, where AI can help support personalized learning and help personalize instruction for students based on providing very specific instructions or encouraging students to have a very specific learning path. And they can also be tailored to, meet different students at a wide variety of places. So there's tremendous potential, and that's the part we really need to understand right now. And it's going to, over time, tremendously impact the way people teach and learn through the opportunity to be able to have these tools on hand in the classroom. So some important terms to kind of know if you're getting started with AI in education is the term AI, machine learning, deep learning, artificial neural networks, large language models, generative AI, and the word prompt. Those are just some basic words to get started with and learn the definition of, and I'll go over those in just a minute. And just to kind of help people get started with some tools, I've shared Magic School AI as a potential tool for you to try out. Also Diffit, and of course ChatGPT, just to begin able to start experimenting with the use of AI, and also feel free to ask for support as needed. So I've also included here on this document the AI resources for the district that are available to kind of check out. And now at this time we don't have any resources that are approved for student use, so be sure to use this opportunity to begin to explore tools that are particularly for your professional practice. I've also included the AI guidance link for you to help explore the guidance that the district has provided for AI, which I've emailed out a couple times. So also, as part of this, please give me some feedback on my professional learning goal of helping communicate these tools to all of you and help you begin to get started learning about them. And also, just to kind of close up this newsletter portion of this video, we have approved for teachers to be able to use the Grammarly feature, but not for students. I've shared out the MCAS calendar and schedule. We are also AP computer-based testing is up this week in the month of March. And also wanted to share how we've been doing additional Lumio training for teachers at the elementary school level to help support their integration of Lumio into the classroom. I included a photo here of Yersin Vargas providing Lumio training at the little school. In the past couple weeks, they've been doing some extra sessions, and I know those teachers have been excited to get that opportunity. So if you're interested in that, please feel free to reach out. And I'm also very proud of the team at providing additional support for MCAS across the district, so we kind of move through our MCAS training. Now, just to kind of scroll back, please, if you get a chance to provide feedback here, please do so. I do want to click on the definitions that I provided around the, some essential terms to understand. We have AI, referring to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks which typically require human intelligence. We have machine learning, which involves algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to improve their performance on a specific task without explicit programming. It focuses on pattern recognition and learning from data. Deep learning is another term here, is a subset of machine learning that involves neural networks with multiple layers. Deep neural networks. These networks can automatically learn to extract features from data and make complex decisions based on large amounts of data. Then we have artificial neural network. This is neural networks are computational models inspired by human brain structures. They consist of interconnected nodes as neurons, organized in layers, each layer processing and transforming data. We also have the word large language models, LLM. They are advanced AI models trained on vast amounts of text data, enabling them to understand and generate human-like language. So that's some of the programming that you see in ChatGPT and how it understands what people are asking. Then we have generative AI, refers to artificial intelligence systems that are capable of creating new content, such as text, images, or music. These systems learn from existing data patterns and generate fresh, original content. So they're utilizing the content of the AI model and continuing to develop that and refine it as it receives even more information. The term prompt is an input or instruction given to an AI system to perform a specific task, basically what you're asking of that system. It could be a question, a query, a sentence, or a command which initiates the AI to give you a response. So those are just some key terms to kind of think about getting started with AI. I hope you review those and get a chance to kind of get more familiar with them as we kind of move through the year. I appreciate you spending the time here with me, talking about AI and beginning to get more familiar with the terms. Thanks.